Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be playing some Roblox. Today we are going to play Jack. 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 Okay, we're not playing kickoff. We're not going to play kickoff today, everybody. What do you I want to play. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Let's play. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's play. Today we're gonna play Airplane 3 Story. No, cause the last one, there was this one. It didn't have good audio, so guys, we're gonna record this again. I want to get the ending. So Jack, can you join, please? Cause I like when you join. Guys, I have my robot animation. Come. There's one with 8. There's one with 8. Never mind. They just left. There's someone that's so tall in this game. Let's go. Remember, reverie, go. Hey guys. Oh! Guys, we're going into the game, guys. Ree! Hi, Mr. Fart. Hi, Mr. Fart. Hi, Mr. Fart. Hi, Mr. Fart. Where are you, dude? Dude, you're just standing there. Say hi, Mr. Fart. Hi, Mr. Fart. Hi, Mr. Fart. I think I have a crying one. Yes, I do. I think I do. I have agree. Yeah, did I agree with you? What were you saying again? Get that 787 Dreamliner. Now please take a seat. How come he can't take a seat but we have to? I'm in. OMG, guys. This is Ronald. The plane. But I think the general's Ronald because remember, um, and three. No, and two. Oh, cause in the told us about the first one. They told us about Ronald. That's how we knew Ronald. He must. I think that's the bad ending. Who? Ramesh? From the airplane 1 and the airplane 2. And probably the crew story is gonna be about that. Or no. Guys, make sure give it a big I wanna give a big shout out to 20 Cupcake Flower Wakanda forever, everyone that was in my Piggy VIP server. Look, Matthew, it's like I wanna fly.
Hey, how about
Oh yeah. Yeah, birthday's coming in 3 days. 3.5 days, Matthew. Jack's birthday.
yes.
And guys, we're gonna have a pool party, right, Matthew?
Yeah, boy.
We're gonna have, and he's getting a PC, so guys, go check out his channel. Oh, Matthew, glitch.
No. Yes, no.
Oh, I'm in. I'm on. I'm a master at this.
No.
Yeah, you're on. Bye. I'm going. Bye. Is there one more? No. This is the last one.
I'm on.
You're gonna die.
Ew.
Guys, he's so funny. Okay, guys. So, yeah. That dude has such an ugly outfit. I'm not even gonna press W.
You're gonna die, bro.
I haven't. I'm not even pressing W. Go, Matthew.
No, Bubba. I don't want to get stuck.
I'll help you.
No, don't help me. Do not help me. Oh yeah, get the yellow one.
There.
Why is there security lasers? I like the
Okay, we got that. The dude has the other one. If he dies, I'm replacing. There you go, boy.
I'm not surviving.
There we go. Dude! Such a noob! Oh, there, let's go, let's go.
Someone else has to take the risk instead of you. Cover me. Don't let me get struck by lightning. Someone else has to do it.
I'm staying on the plane. I'm staying in the middle.
Hey. Yeah, boy. Pilot. Cardi B.
Cardi B. Pilot Cardi B. Now about to fly.
Wait, is there face cam on here?
No. Oh, on where?
On your video?
No. Yeah. Good. Put that.
Help! Help! No!
Oh, bye, Matthew. I can see you. You're just. You're gonna die. There's
Stop! No!
a teddy bear.
Help!
This is gas that has a reward.
Dude,
Look, I got a teddy.
dude, if I die,
Mm.
you die!
No. You're gonna die.
I hate my life!
This guy. Bye. Oh. Guys.
You don't want to come back?
Fine, I reset. Reset, baby. You died. Back to lobby. To-
What the?
Where are you? Oh, I know the code for that. I know. How did he do this? Some kind of glitch. Look, Ronald! Matthew! Look, Ronald! Right up there. Go up. Look. You know where that window is? That window up there? That's Ronald. Ronald. That's Ronald. Where are you? Which one are you in? Are we gonna... I'm here. Follow me. Where are you? I see... Oh, you're following me. You're here, right? Here. Wait. Matt, you're gonna look. You're such a big eye, and then because I have a big eye. I.
So cold.
Boy. Shukriya. Airplane 3. I don't get it. It's not 3 stars. Well, if you guys want to rate it 3 stars, make sure to go rate it. I'm the Roblox here, Army General. I want to see in this. I want to be in here. No pizza. He dies. Did you get? Shout out to Pizza. Shout out Pizza if you're watching. Shout out. Shout out. I know he was in the window. I know he did in the first one. I think he got revived. Or it's just or it's just another Ronald. Like I don't get it.
Would you rather spend $1 million Robux on a golden Dominus or spend $1 million on just anything?
It's hard. 1,000,000 Robux on whatever I want. No, I want to. Do I have to spend it though? Oh no, the other person died. $1,000,000 reward. Oh, I'm on.
How are we not
There's one coming up. There, I'm on. I'm so good. I'm better than you. IDK, dude, IDK. IDK. Me? I never said I made this game. No, I'm gonna beat you to the place. Look, I'm gonna beat you, Matthew. I'm gonna beat you. What? Says the one with fat eyes. You can't push me, so there's nothing for you to do. URL. I think he always goes out in the rain because his favorite thing to do, Cause his everything, like, cause he doesn't want to get wet. Cause he had no. You know why his last name General Poncho? Why? What? You know why his name is Poncho?
Yeah.
Why? Cause he keeps so much ponchos in his garage.
I bet he has like 1 zillion. How much is it?
General Poncho.
General Poncho. General Poncho.
Let's get this. I have one.
It just made me think.
Me too. Me too. Oh, this is the hard kind. Oh, there I made it. You see me? Put it. On to my next one.
Why not he does it? He's the one that owns this place.
Oh no! Oh, I almost died. OMG. Okay. Okay, I'm almost done. Alright, I'm done.
Excellent. I don't want to get trapped like last time.
I know. You don't want to get trapped like last time. Oh, you're so funny when you do that. Good water. I just had a sip of water. It's so good. Dude, I'm almost like at full house. Oh, yeah. Jack forgot we were recording. I told him before I even pressed the record button. I told him that. Oh, take Teddy with you. Take Teddy with you. Oh, if you get the Teddy, probably. I think you get the good ending with Teddy.
No, I got the
I think you get.
gotta be friends with Ronald and
Who?
like no.
Dude, like someone was just backing up in front of my house, and they're like,
Watching Creepstar Carson and he said yo Jake and he's yo Ronald and he's Teddy. You need a magma friend thing and that costs 300 Robux. Here's Teddy.
no. Yeah, get the Teddy bird. Let's go.
I you can get both bad ending.
Wait, there's a secret ending.
Yeah. I looked at the badges too. Oh, you got the
There's a good ending, a bad ending. Thank you for playing. Monster ending. Secret ending. There.
damn Teddy boy.
There's a monster ending.
I think the bad ending, the monster ending is the teddy bear.
Yeah.
If you go to the bad ending, then the teddy bear just tries to kill you. Ah! Bad ending. This is true. We are now flying. Hey, you wanna take it? You wanna take it? It likes you. Yeah, it's trying to pick your eye boogers.
Picture eye boogers. Oh, I'm not gonna eat it yet. I'm not gonna eat it yet.
You have your low health.
I'm gonna save it.
I wanna hug the teddy bear. I thought he said, haha, you're gonna die now.
Takes nap. Take snap, guys. I don't want to sacrifice my life. What? General. General. He stabbed. Stabbed me.
Okay, I'm just gonna let the general die. I'm not gonna go outside.
No. Just start jumping. I'm going over here.
I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. I want to somebody as quick as I can. He said don't die and protect me. So we don't care.
The objective. Survive the lightning strikes. Oh, then we don't have to cover him. Because it says the objective is... Oh no, Matthew, they're going there around. Ah! Oh no, I hate this. I think this is the good spot where to be. Here, Matthew.
Oh my god, no, it's not.
Ah! Get on the wing! Get on the wing! Get on the wing! Oh no, Matthew! Oh no, this is the good spot to be. Someone died. I heard oof. If I get struck, I'm just gonna eat my banana. Banana. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Can we go back inside?
Take me back.
Ah, no, he's gonna come with me. Oh no, let's run.
Let's go to the
You will not stop this fate.
Okay. There, take the
I can't get him in a minute. Me neither. I know we are. Especially me. And there is... Oh no! I don't think the pilot knows. He's just on the right man. I hope it's morning time by the time this thing... Oh, it's like almost sunrise. Finally here. Are we coming in for a landing? No. Pixels retention.
3 million birthday. Slowly, guys. Oh, he died. But no, he really died. So sad. I tried to move him. I think.
We're not even landing yet. Oh, no. Yeah, we are. Oh, baby.
Okay, we got all the music. Hey, you gotta touch him with your body, okay?
Okay.
Oh my god, this game is so aiming so bad.
Oh, I see some.
Run.
Ah! There's a paint can. Get it. I can't because we have Teddy.
Okay, dude, so we're gonna have to dodge the fire, okay?
Okay. I think I got this.
Follow me whatever I do, but do not follow me when we're gonna die. Help!
I'm gonna fall in.
I'll give you a Teddy if you stop. You go that side, I go this side. So this is what you do. You touch him like this.
I got one.
I'm gonna do this. Boom.
You guys go.
There's sometimes babies.
Babies. Oh, I see a baby. I see a baby and a mom. Baby.
Okay, go.
There, we're done. Oh no, the captain! But Ronald's in there. Ronald's in there.
Dude, you're gonna die. I know it is. Because there's gonna be fire.
No, I think I got this because I did this in Obby Maker. I know how to do this. Okay, guys. Okay, good.
Fire everywhere. So
Okay.
do not eat your
My banana.
I'll do it. Yo, my mysterious face. Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Go.
I wanna go to the bathroom. Where's this out? We have to go to jail.
Go, Matthew.
Captain, go. I'm gonna do the bad ending. I'm sorry. My face. Oh no!
Where's the parachute?
Okay, got it.
I got it.
Run.
Where's the fire? How do?
Come. Okay, now dodge this.
No! Oh no! I'm gonna die. Ready?
Eat the banana. Wait, we're gonna go bring the tent. I can't see.
I'm here.
Take out the teddy. Get the teddy out.
I have him out.
Oh! I know where to keep the teddy. Okay, so he was where you are. No, my teddy is lost because he died from the plane crash, right? So we're gonna give her the teddy.
Good. Who the teddy?
The girl, the little girl.
And what?
Go down here.
What's down there?
People. I really wish we could play that.
Where's the little girl?
Oh shoot, the little girl's not here. It's because that guy died.
We got it, dude. We got it.
I didn't get the badge yet.
Me neither.
Oh, give her the table.
I got the secret ending. I got the secret ending, Matthew.
I told you to.
Then what? Then what one did you get?
I got the secret ending too. Wait, what if we get the bad ending too?
Oh, I think I know who's dad.
Yeah, it's the
Ronald. Oh, yeah, this is the captain. Kelly. Just got full health. Bad ending. I just got the bad ending.
Let's go. You just need to. You just need.
The monster ending and the good ending. There's a monster ending. Remember, there's a monster.
How about we set the friends? No, we put just always. Okay.
What?
Okay, guys. I hope you liked the video.
I'm gonna play some more, dude. I want to get that monster ending.
Well, you're gonna have to end the video here, bro,
Why?
because it's time.
Say, guys. Yeah, guys. Oh, dude, it's gonna be good.
How about we still recording and do the secret ending that time? I mean, secret ending.
Yeah, guys. In today's video, we're gonna see if we can get the monster ending and the good ending.
If we die, then we're gonna have to end the video.
Yeah. And then we'll do another video today that we're gonna do this. Try to do them again.
I bet this video's gonna take an hour.
I know.
Oh, dude, editing.
No, it's not. Okay, guys. How long I've been recording for? Doesn't tell me the time I've been recording for. That's so whack. Doesn't tell me. If you guys use OBS, tell me. That's all the stuff I use right here. To the point. This is Ronald. Poncho. Matthew, can I do the other side of the field now?
Yeah.
You do my side.
Ew.
I know, her face does look a little disgusting.
Dude, I think the monster ending we gotta get to the end there and the defensive corner. But that doesn't sound like a monster ending.
No, because you might have to do the other one. Remember when you were gonna pick, like if he goes to jail or not, you probably have to do the other one. Remember? So we're gonna do that probably. We might not do that.
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case, let's grab it. Or maybe there's something else. Oh, I think there's one coming up soon.
I think you're gonna go like in the corner, right?
Wait, gotta wait, because this dude's gonna teleport us back to here.
Do you have to go to the corner?
Ready, start, baby. Oh, go back. I do this. There's one. Haha. I'm on it. Let's go do it again. I'm on it. Oh, I see you. You made it, Matthew. I'm right here. Oh, let's go. Re. Oh, someone just died. I'm gonna beat you there, Matthew. Oh, look, I'm beating you.
No, you're not. I'm here.
Imagine she falls.
I want to jump off
Low feet.
I don't care.
I'm doing your side, remember. Okay. okay, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Go. Come on, Poncho. The first Poncho.
Oh my god, yours is so hard.
No, mine's is so easy, dude.
It's so hard.
It's the easiest thing ever. Yours is. Oh, I need my banana.
Banana, we don't.
When I get a banana, I might need it. Ah,
These people are not even filling it in.
I know.
They're so pumped.
There's one. Hey, go in. Okay, this is what I'm definitely gonna die. No, I need my banana. I'm at yellow. I'm at yellow health.
Dude, you're. I knew it. I could have done it, but you're like, no. Yeah, you're gonna die, bro. I wish there was a banana.
Matthew, when I end the video now.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to always smash that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah, make sure you guys notifications so you guys know whenever we make new videos. Goodbye, guys.